Good morning, let's code. It's been a while since I did a CSS battle, so I thought what better way to get myself back into it than to do this super fun Pac-Man inspired CSS battle puzzle. I'm going to throw some music on, so feel free to do this puzzle along with me, and if you do, let me know your score in the comments below, or if you needed somebody to body double along with you so that you can start working on your own tasks, we can hang out together. We love a 100% match, but I will say the amount of characters used was a little bit more than I expected. I was hoping that I could do it in under 400 characters, but it looks like maybe the lowest amount that could be done is 600 characters based on the leaderboard, but this was so much fun, obviously. I think next time, instead of characters, my challenge is going to be trying to figure out how much time I can do it in. Anywho, I hope that you enjoyed coding along with me, whether you were doing a CSS battle or whether you were working on your own projects and we were just hanging out together while you did so. Until next time,